Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Emprise bank account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Emprise bank website and enter your login credentials to access your online banking account. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Shrug to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. Click on the option for two-factor authentication. You may see a prompt explaining the benefits of 2FA. Proceed by selecting the option to enable it. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will typically have options for receiving authentication codes such as via SMS, email, or an authentication app. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your authentication method, you may need to verify it by entering a code sent to you. Once verified, ensure you save your changes to activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Emprise bank account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your contact information updated to ensure you receive authentication codes without any issues.